Hello. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create stroke text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Create a document. Create a new layer. Select the gradient tool. Drag the cursor from one corner to another corner of the canvas to create a linear gradient. Select the text tool and write the text. Duplicate the text layer. Turn off the fill to 0. Now open up the blending options. Click on stroke and copy these steps. Bring this layer down. Duplicate the text layer. Bring this layer down. Duplicate the text layer. Select this layer and set the opacity to 25%. Select this layer. Set the opacity to 45 to 50%. Select this layer. Set the opacity to 75 to 80%. And there you go. Your stroke text effect is ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more Photoshop tutorials.